Hi bakers, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make your buttermilk for your all kind of cake, especially oil based cake. And this is what you need. You need a lime, you need your milk, you need your measurement spoon, you need your cups, and you need your shifter, and you need a lime squeezer, and you need a plastic wrap. So guys, let's prepare this buttermilk. So make sure your hands are clean, your limes are washed, everything you're going to use on your video is clean. So you dice your lime into 2 pieces because we are going to squeeze it. I normally use my hand, but it's too painful. I don't get a lot of water, so I got my lime squeezer from Temo, so you can get yours from any app you know. So you squeeze your lime into your measurement cup. Make sure you are using a strainer to strain out the seed inside the lime. So let's keep watching the video together. So when you are done doing this step, you set that aside. So for in this video right now, I love putting this not the seed though, this side of the lime, like all this white something. I love attaching it to my lime juice. I don't know why, I just like it though. So if you don't like it, you can skip that process anyway. So for your another measurement cup, you add in your milk. So in my cake recipe today, I need 2 tin of milk, which is 2 cup of milk. So it depends on the kind of recipe you want to make. So for my own recipe today, I need this 2 tin of milk for my recipe. So that is it. Let's keep washing. So when you are done with this step, now you need your tablespoon. For 2 tin of milk, which is my recipe today, I'm using 2 tablespoons of lime. You understand? Lemon. So if you are using 1 tin of milk, you'll be measuring 1 tablespoon of lemon. But I'm using 2 tin of milk, which is 2 cup of milk. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of lemon. Like I'll be measuring 2 tablespoons of lemon. So if you are using 3 tin of milk, you'll be using 3 tablespoons of lemon. You understand? So that is how it goes. For 1 tablespoon, for 1 tin milk, you will need 1 tablespoon of lemon. So when I pour it, I won't stir it though. I need to keep my alarm for 1 hour. You can keep it for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, but I love setting mine for 1 hour because that 1 hour I will use it to prepare all my ingredients for my baking. So I covered it with a wrapping. If you can cover it and you can just place it aside, but just set your alarm for 1 hour. So it's almost 1 hour, and this is 1 hour, and this is how our buttermilk look like. You can see it on the video. You can see how thick it is. So this is how I use my buttermilk. So you can just stir it. I'm stirring it to show you guys how it look like with lemon. So I love using lemon than vinegar. But in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how vinegar buttermilk look like. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Please remember to subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Love you. Bye.